Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily fix your problem. So if your iPhone not charging but when plugged in your cable, so how you can fix it. So first thing you need to check, if you have another cable, just try to connect another cable. Maybe you just have problems with it, so maybe you have not original cable, or it can be damaged, so you just need to try to connect to another cable. And if it doesn't help you too, you just need to go to the settings, just open the settings, just find general, just scroll down, just tap on shutdown, slide to power off, wait a second, and just power on your phone again. So just simple restore your phone. If it doesn't help you too, you can try to update your system. So just go to the general again, just open software update, just wait until it will check for updates. And if you see here available update, just tap on download and install and wait until it will successfully download and install the latest updates for your iPhone. So this is the way how you can also fix it. And mostly it happens because you have problems with cable, but the latest option you can try just might force restart on your phone. So it depends on model of iPhone you have, because I will tell you an example of iPhone X, iPhone 11 and iPhone 12. So iPhone with Face ID. If you have another model of iPhone, you can find in Google what combination of buttons you need to press to make force restart. So in this model of iPhone, you just need to press on high volume button, then on low volume button, and just keep on hold power button until you will see black screen. So when you will see black screen, just release your finger from power button, and after you need to see Apple logo. So when you will see Apple logo, it means that your system will load and you successfully made force restart. So this is the way how you can also fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, hit like, and goodbye.